Hi everyone, so now let's proceed to the chapter 2. In this video, I will guide you on how to write chapter 2 of a research proposal, which is the review related literature. This chapter helps support your study with previous research and theories. Let's begin. So first, what is chapter 2? Chapter 2 is where you present related studies and literature that are connected to your research topic. It shows what has already been studied, what is still missing, and how your research fits into the bigger picture. So this chapter provides that your study is based on facts and not on your opinion. So the second is the types of related literature. So there are two main types of related literature. First, related literature. These are books, journals, or articles that discuss theories and concepts connected to your study. And second is related studies. These are the three main dissertations or research papers similar to your topic. So in the third one is tips for writing chapter 2 to 1. Use reliable and updated sources, books, journals, research papers. Don't copy-paste, paraphrase, and cite your papers. Organize your review logically from general to specific. And last is use APA style or the format your teacher requires when citing. And the last one is importance of chapter 2. Chapter 2 helps the reader understand the foundation of your study. It shows that you have done your research and that your topic is connected to real-life findings. It also proves that your study is not just a repeat of others, but something new and relevant. So that's how you write chapter 2. Review of related literature, remember to read widely, cite properly, and connect everything back to your topic. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you with research proposal. Bye-bye!